BTS on V-Live talking about their experiences at the UN General Assembly. Jungkook took off his socks in the V-Live while other members were talking. Taehyung saw him and teased him. We even had a meeting in the evening regarding the speech. Jungkook and I didn't sleep, right? I didn't really doze off, but I thought I was going to die.
졸진 않았어요. 죽을 뻔했어요. 10분 잤나? 졸려가지고 그걸 시뮬레이션 할 때 대본 리딩을 그때 진짜
It's the way Jungkook stuttering to say you are number one in the world to Taehyung. He's so precious.
언젠가 리딩이잖아. 뭐야 왜? 너 왜? 야.
Why? You're the world's number one most handsome guy. For more BTS updates, click subscribe and the notification bell.
Oh, things that you say. Oh, is it life or just to play my worries away?